Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds d and z. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the d sound in the word do, do, do. Now the z sound in the word zoo, zoo, zoo. Now I will use them both in a sentence. What will they do at the zoo? What will they do at the zoo? What will they do at the zoo? Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat. Bye!